Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install the Silhouette Studio software on your Windows computer. A lot of new Silhouette users get confused on where to download it from and which version to choose. So don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step in a simple way so you can set it up correctly and start designing your project without any hassle. So let's get started. Open your browser and type Silhouette Studio Download in the search bar. Visit the official Silhouette America website. Under the Download section, click on Win64. A window will appear asking where to save the installer file. Select the folder and select Save. Now, give it a little time to complete the download. Once the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder, find the installer file and double-click on it. If a user account control pop-up appears asking for permission, click on Yes to continue. On the Silhouette Studio Setup pop-up window, press the Next button. Click on the Next button again. Select the Install button to begin the installation. Once the installation is complete, click on the Finish button. A pop-up will appear asking how you would like to check and download updates. Choose your preference and press the OK button to continue. Next, select the Continue button. Read through the license agreement and select your preferred option. If you choose I agree, Silhouette Studio will launch automatically and you will be ready to start setting up your machine or creating your project. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit mannymaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.